It. Doors do open and close. And there's the inside. All gauges look good. Dash looks good. Seat still intact. Back windows broken on this side. Rest of the windows all look good. Roll up and down.
And also say that it's rusted down here.
And that's my little girl telling me it's rusted down there.
And I'm blowing dust.
She's working underneath there. It's a father-daughter truck that I bought to work on.
Dad,
The guy did tell me that the motor ran, but it does not. It's froze solid.
I'm gonna need some of those things for a wrench.
Okay. This is the first video of the 1951 International. Hopefully we'll get it running. Or get an engine for it. Stay tuned.
There's an engine